This is question number 3 of exercise 1.1 linear equations, and this is also related to MCQs. So we have to find out the solution of this question, and at the end we will find out from A to E which answer is correct. So this is, we will do 5 2 times C. We have constant in front of the parenthesis, which is called distributivity. So 5 2 times 10 minus 5x plus x minus 1 equal to 3 minus 4x. So we will take transpose here. This minus 5x, right, will remains the same. On the left hand side, this positive x, only this negative we have to take the transpose. Now whenever I will say transpose, it means you have to change the sign and you will take that term to the other side of the equation. We have only 3 on our right hand side, so we have to take the transpose of this 10 and negative 1. These two are constant. Constant mean they do not have any variable with them. So this is negative 5x, it is positive 5x, which is equal to 4 negative 6. So these see positive and negative, so this is equal to x. It means no value of x can satisfy this equation. So which is correct? Is 0, none of these, all real values? No, this one, D. There are no solutions. Now what is the difference between this and this? If you have 0 on the right hand side, if 0 is equal to 0, then all real values of x. If 0 is equal to something, there are no solution because we do not have any x left here, right? And this is your answer. And thanks for watching.